Hello guys, welcome to another natural hair DIY video. I'm Blessing and today we'll be looking into hot oil treatment and avocado deep conditioner for your natural hair. In making your hot oil treatment, you're going to need olive oil, homemade fenugreek oil. I made a video about this oil some weeks ago, so you can click on the card above to watch it, an application bottle and a funnel. First, pour in 60 ml of olive oil, then top it with 30 ml of fenugreek oil. Place it in a bowl of hot water and let it sit for 6 minutes. Before you proceed to applying the oil, make sure you do a patch test so as to guarantee the right temperature. Part your hair into different sections and begin by applying little quantity to your scalp. Then apply directly to your hair and gently massage into your hair strands and scalp. Now, one of the benefits of hot oil treatment is that it vitalizes the scalp, making it more healthy, which in return stimulates hair growth. It stimulates blood circulation to the root of the hair, while at the same time delivering nutrients directly to your hair. This should be an important part of your natural hair treatment, most especially if you suffer from scalp irritations or hair breakage. It is very relaxing, most especially if you have someone with gentle hands applying it for you. Allow the hair to rest and absorb nutrients from the oil treatment at least 20 minutes, then proceed to rinse only with warm water, no shampoo. While the hair is resting, use that time interval to prepare your homemade avocado deep conditioner. We are going to need avocado fruit, 1 egg, avocado oil, almond oil and olive oil, and a blender to mix it all. Start by adding the pulp of a whole avocado fruit, add 1 raw egg, pour a reasonable amount of avocado oil, olive oil and almond oil. Then blend thoroughly till you get a creamy paste of nutritious goodies for your hair. Alright guys, after rinsing out the hot oil treatment and while the hair is mildly dried, I'm going to begin applying the deep conditioner we made some few minutes ago, and as usual, apply to smaller sections of your hair and then massage it into your entire hair. Now, one of the major benefits of having this homemade, beside the fact that it is still fresh from the making to the application, is that you do not expose your hair to risk of damage because of some unknown chemicals. So by doing this, you know exactly what is going into your hair, like these are everyday food items you would consume into your body. Maintaining and growing natural hair is one of the most tedious tasks many can engage themselves in, while in reality it is actually quite easy and simple. Now that we have totally applied the deep conditioner and massaged it into the hair, we are going to let it sit for minimum 30 minutes, after which we rinse out and then wash it with shampoo. So that is it for today's wash day routine. I'll be back with more DIY videos for natural hair treatments and maintenance. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't. Thanks for watching today and see you guys in my next video. Bye.